fucking idiot.
Start defending better, keep doing what you're doing going forward, and wait till there's a new manager, if that's the case.
You never know if things don't go right.
Now, where are you crossing?
Decides, like he said,
where are you crossing?
Of the World Cup, and if he does decide that his time at England is over, or they decide.
Oh, for goodness sake! What is going on here?
Every manager would use that against you from your time of international duty.
3 attempts at winning the ball back were probably fouls from Ilkay Gundogan, but the referee was just waiting to see if England could do anything constructive with it. They couldn't. So it's a full play back and giving England a free kick, which Maguire looks to take quickly, and he sent it an excellent ball out towards the left-hand side. That really was a good free kick. Out towards Shaw, then Sterling has his legs taken away for a no. Referee said no. No foul by Sullivan. England will it back with Shaw. Looking for Foden around the edge of the penalty area, but Sullivan's there, and he's going to be able to do the rest to be able to get it clear. Bellingham again in the right place at the right time, but he can't get a constructive foot in to stop Germany coming forward on the counter-attack. Has at least reduced the... Germany inside the centre circle.
30 miles an hour road. I'm doing 30 miles an hour. Not fast enough for some people, obviously.
Back for Joshua Kim.
Bars or something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It does a lot.
Now this coming up surely cannot be right, especially as the right turn, my side, is before his right turn, his side. So what would have happened if I wanted to turn right? Let us know what you think, as per usual.
Again, there is a lane for you to get into so I can actually drive past you. It's not hard.
All the next clips have been sent in by a viewer. The first 2 clips are really interesting because it shows that we should all have our dash cams on as our eyewitnesses and not rely on anyone else. They're sitting side by side and they see things so very differently to what's just happened. What you need to be looking out for is the colour of the light in the first clip and the speed in the second clip.
Pull you up, and all you literally have to do is answer your phone to win this money within 5 rings. Just pick it up and say hi, and if it's us...
Well, I would have gone then.
Would you?
Yeah, why not?
It's red light.
Wasn't it? It was amber.
It was a red light when I got here. It was red when he got there, that Mercedes.
Well, I'd have been with him.
Yeah, well.
Brushes his water and fills his biscuits up. So he's quite a lot. He's quite slim though. He signalled to come out,
but
and then
just
but
come
then
out
you
like
just
that.
you like accelerated.
I didn't accelerate. I was at the same speed. It just he broke. He came out and broke. What's the point of that coming out and braking? He should accelerate away, not make me brake. I had to brake.
Please turn left in 200 yards and then immediately turn left again.
Red light! Red light!
People are thinking.
Do you see a red light?
Hard about who they're going to be supporting, and we've seen support for many, not just
like that.
Make your own with Tesco Finest Ultimate Brisket and Chuck Burgers. Made with succulent cuts of prime Aberdeen Angus beef. Now just £2.50 with your Tesco Club card or app. Food loves.
Not the way other teams are going about their work right now. Other teams from the get-go are having a proper go at it. I was disappointed with it on that day against obviously a top team.
Slightly red, that light.
I think that's very kind of. I think that's code for I needed players and you haven't got them for me. I think he's been very game, and let's move
But
on.
Lionel John Lewis has stressed, the player at the receiving end of it says, we'll kick it out if it happen. Well, Reese is a bit still
that's a bit of a jump.
It will not.
What do you want us to do? Because I hear people say, oh, I'm getting sick and tired of this. Most black people have to live this from when they can understand.
Goes up the inside and then out there. Look, here he goes. Look at that driving.
We have to continue to fight against this disease.
And he's beeping people.
This will continue, and
are affected by crime can't see it as well.
Could they not be, Mr. Quating, seen as slightly perverse? Because if I'm Chief Constable or Commissioner of an area such as Hackney, opposing you, Chief Constable of an area such as Spelthorne, is it fair that we're judged by the same criteria? I might have a busier patch than you.
Well, Spelthorne has its own...
Beautiful shot, delicate. It was a deep third, so it's only a single. And Root goes to 109. There was a time when it looked as if Bairstow was going to get to his 100 first, but Root zipped past him.
Nah, but a little surprised. I've been saying this since morning, that the approach that India had first up.
Oh, look, an Audi going past the sign.
It's about the first spell from Shami and Bumrah to a great extent. And
right at the last second.
Again, didn't look as sharp as you've seen them usually.
There you go. Just pull that in front of me.
Now turn left and then immediately turn left again.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Natalie. Lovely to hear from you. Hope you're feeling a bit better. Jen's in Brighton. She said diversity. What diversity? There may be candidates of colour and 3 women.
I'm going to jump in here with a little bit of voiceover, man. What a lot of people don't seem to realise is when you reverse into a space, the front of your car goes out into the opposite side of the road. It's something to be aware of, because I'm sure a lot of people just seem to forget that when you do that, that happens.
Quality timber at Wickes. Pick up 2.4 metre studwork CLS timber from £4.28 as a Trade Pro member. Terms apply.
Tonight's Euro Millions jackpot could make your dreams come true.
Where can we go?
Not the dream where you're naked at work.
Where to go, is there?
There will be relaxing on your own luxury super yacht. The Euro Millions jackpot keeps getting bigger. £138 million tonight. Euro Millions from the National Lottery. Play on app, online and in-store. Estimated jackpot. Account terms, rules and procedures apply. Players must be 18 or over.
At Honda, we decided to cast you for a moment, and instead start listening to all the things hands do. They carry, scratch, open, close, zip,
Here he goes again. Undertaking.
mix, fix, fold, type, tear. Isn't it time we gave hands a rest? With the keyless entry, a tailgate that opens with left foot, voice-controlled entertainment, and automatically adjusting seats. The Honda CR-V Hybrid. What do you think, pals? Honda, power of dreams.
At Howdens, we're blowing the doors off. It's the great door discount of the year, with unbeatable prices on doors and door accessories.
Shot through the offside. Bangs from Bumrah. Probably a bit too close to play the shot. Good judgment from Bairstow to allow that to go through to Pan. And the way they're playing this, he always felt he was going to throw everything at that. But there is some danger out deep back on the point as well. So he did not.
And it's been good controlled aggression this morning as well. And the running between the wickets been phenomenal again.
310 for 3. Bumrah bowls to Bairstow. Short. Bairstow.
big thank you to Terry who sent all these clips in. If you would like your clips on this channel, have a look in the description below and send me your clips. Thanks for watching guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.